Okay guys, so we are at the pool in Brion City Hotel. Not many people are out today. We have the pool to ourselves because people don't really swim in pools and hotels in Curacao because Curacao has such lovely beaches. So let's start with this hotel tour. So we stayed at the Brion City Hotel, and now I'm taking you through the lobby and showing you the layout. So essentially there's the front desk, there's a little waiting area, and then you have also a tea station, another little waiting area. There's a shop as well for you to get like little things like water or juice, and then you walk down to the back and there's the elevator to go to your rooms and an ice machine. We were well into our stay when I shot this video, so excuse the mess, but there's a heater, an ironing board, a bench, a television, a chair and a table. There is also 2 beds, and there was a mini refrigerator, a safe, an ice bucket, a coffee maker, and also a little closet. In the bathroom you had your normal setup, which is sink, faucet, toilet. There was also a blow dryer, extra lights over the mirror. Hi. And we had 4 towels, of course, for the 4 of us. There was also a waste basket and a shower, the usual. Here's the area where we had breakfast every morning. It's on the first floor right next to the pool. Here's the layout of the Brion City Hotel's above ground pool. It was usually empty as most persons go to the beach because Curacao has such lovely beaches, but there are some sunbeds there for you to chill. Moving on to activities now, one of the first activities we did was go to the Curacao Sea Aquarium, where we got to learn about a lot of marine life. We even got to see a live action feeding. We saw flamingos, and we also saw the dolphin training session. We also went to Mambo Beach for a quick swim. Then we headed back for a free walking tour, which was very insightful. Another activity we did was heading to the Curacao Reef Mangrove Park and trying to spot as much of the birds and fish and trees that they had within the park itself. We also headed to the perfume lab for a perfume making session. At the time, they didn't have the bottles that we wanted. However, we did purchase some of their pre-made scents, which were divine. Curacao has a mix of fine dining restaurants, local food, and also chain restaurants that you know. We headed to Plaza Bill for lunch, and we got a lovely local lunch there. I definitely recommend visiting Plaza Bill. This tasted so good. There are a number of ways you can get around Curacao, such as renting a car, hiring a taxi. We chose to have a private transfer from the airport, and to get around the island we used public transport, and it was very reliable for us. as and very cost effective as well, since it was the four of us.